In this video we will look more into human resources software's features and benefits. Let's get started. First question that comes in mind is, what are the advantages of using human resources software and why invest in a human resource information system? So, there are dozens of human resources software packages available today to meet the needs of the small and large HR professional alike. A detailed and flexible software program can help you manage staff records, navigate personnel information, track payroll data and benefits, and even tally vacation accruals. Why mess around with Excel spreadsheets or print documents when you can have everything you need easily compiled and sorted in a decent HRIS? Human resources software programs also allow the competent HR professional to generate reports on a variety of subjects quickly and easily. Here is just an example of some of the reports you can generate using a good human resources software program. Number 1. Turnover reports. Number 2. Employee performance evaluations. Number 3. Sick or vacation accruals. Number 4. Employee training. Number 5. Benefits enrollment. Number 6. Employee contact information. Another important thing you must consider is customizing your HR software, because most human resources software programs also come with templates you can use to draft letters of recognition or dismissal and a host of other vital HR documents. You can often create and even customize letters and memos to employees, clients or other business professionals using a comprehensive HRIS program. The good news is most software programs are tailored to meet an organization's unique needs. So whether you have 40 or 4,000 employees, you are bound to find something that works for your team. You can also find a software package in most cases without investing a fortune. Most basic HR software programs are easily acquired for a couple $100. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and share. Also do not forget to subscribe.